Well, first question, Cody, how's camp been? How's getting back in things?
Oh, it's been awesome. I love playing football, and it's exciting to be here. It's a great atmosphere, and the weather's been awesome, and teams coming together nice.
And then last year, what are your goals for the season as you finally get here at Edinboro?
Win more football games, man. I'm tired of losing the close games, and kind of just, like I said earlier, it's the minor details of being out here, and just kind of the little things of showing up early, and doing those things. And it's exciting, and we have to get those details down, or we're gonna have a season like we did last year, but which is not what we want.
And then from what people tell me, like the offense has been looking real good this year, year two of the spread. We've been adjusting to it more. What are your thoughts on that?
Oh yeah, I mean, Coach Volk's coming out every day, firing. He's helping us out. He's out here yelling, running to drills, sprinting around, and he's making everybody excited to be here. And it is. I love coming out to practice. He's out here, and he actually guarded Kellen O'Neill the other day and shut him down 2 times in a row on fade routes. So I guess I give Kellen a little crap for that. But no, I mean, it's exciting to be here. Coach Volk's making an exciting offense, and Coach Browning's also doing a great job leading us.
And last year, the offensive line was one of the worst in the nation almost. A lot of people told me it got a lot better. Young guys are stepping up. What are your thoughts on the line as it protecting you this year?
Coach Browning's doing a great job with them. They're coming together as a group. They're a young group, but they're coming together strong. And I mean, those guys on the offensive line are actually all best friends up there, really. So that kind of helps out a lot. And they know where each other's going to be and who's sliding where. And it's making it a lot easier on me, I'll tell you that much.
And then Coach Browning said wide receiver corps is one of the best he's seen in a while. Is it never a bad thing to have too many weapons? Oh,
never a bad thing. Marcus Johnson, Jordan Williams, Darren Massey. I mean, I'm going to miss a bunch of guys here, but they're all phenomenal athletes, and they're out there making catches, making me look good in practice sometimes. So Ben Eisel, Sonny, they're all doing well, and it's going to be an exciting year, and kind of get those ball to those guys and see what they can do with the ball.
Mike, you got a question?
Cody, have you taken a different mental approach in terms of this summer? I mean, I talked in the off season. Have you taken a different approach as to how you prepare yourself for your senior year? It's a different year.
Yeah, actually, I talked to my older brother a lot. Really, kind of picked his brain on a lot of things. How to handle things. I talked to Zach Caleris, old quarterback of Cincinnati. Talked to him how he handled coming off a 4-6 season, and kind of the changes he made, because he had a big change in his season, going from 4-6 to I can't remember what they went, but it was a big change. I kind of talked to those guys and just picked their brain, and that's kind of the mental approach I took. Really, I got myself prepared and ready, and a different way to lead the team. Ask those guys that have done it before.
How important will experience be in terms of yourself, your wide receivers, even John Javon in the backfield, Wilson center, all those guys? How important will experience be on offense?
Oh, it's absolutely huge. Just knowing each other so well that you know what they're going to do. You know that your receivers' tendencies. You know where they're going to be, what they're going to do. So it's a big thing having experience, and every year it's kind of grew. I mean, just last year we struggled a little bit. We had a couple young guys, but we'll be all right.
In terms of game one, you excited to go back to Ohio, Canton, and then is that close to Waldo, or I'm not really familiar?
It's like it's a few hours. I actually played there in high school. I played there my junior year against Youngstown Cardinal Mooney. So I haven't been back there since though. So it was. I'm excited to go back there, and kind of a bunch of families coming to that game because it's in Ohio, so it's not too far. It's the closest game we play, but it's going to be exciting. Canton's an awesome place to be. I don't know if you guys have ever been there. It's a great football field and a great atmosphere.
And finally, has anyone really emerged and separated themselves in terms of the tight ends? I know you lost a couple guys last year in Walker. Fitzpatrick's doing really well. He's doing a great job. I mean, but really, all of them are doing awesome. I can't really pick and choose. So I kind of leave it up to the coaches. Kind of exciting for me. I don't have to make a decision on that. But they're all doing awesome. But Fitzpatrick's doing real good, and he's doing well.